Malapit na ba yung contest? Mapa-DSPC, RSPC, or NSPC ba yan? At hindi mo alam yung gagawin? Magandang araw and mayong adlaw. This is Kartunista Naytrik. So today, I'll share 5 useful tips to help you stand out. Get ready, get prepared, and also impress the judges. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Know the rules and theme. First, know the rules and theme. Check the paper size, allowed materials, and the time limit. Most important, understand the theme so your cartoon hits the point and follows the contest guidelines. Example dyan is kung about corruption yung theme, is dapat yung article mo is about corruption din. Tip number 2. Research current events. Stay updated with the news. Editorial cartoons speak about society, politics, and issues that matters. Read local headlines and trending topics so your idea feels timely and powerful. Like sa panahon ngayon, yung Ghost Project. Tip number 3. Plan your concept. Plan your concept before drawing. Sketch rough ideas and think of strong symbols or witty metaphors. A simple but striking message will always leave a bigger impact than a cluttered drawing. Tip number 4. Prepare your materials. Prepare your materials. Bring extra pens, pencils, markers, whatever na ano yung akma sa rules na dapat gamitin sa venue. Test them ahead of time so you don't run into smudges or any problems during the contest. Tip number 5. Practice time management. And finally, practice with a timer. Editorial cartoon contest can be fast-paced. Train yourself to finish cleanly within the time limit while still keeping your details sharp. And the most important is spray. That is the most powerful tool that you can do before, during, and after the contest. So, here you have it. Know the rules, research the news, plan your concept, prepare your tools, and manage your time. Follow the steps, and you'll walk into the contest ready to create a winning cartoon. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tips. Good luck and happy drawing. Magandang araw and mayong adlaw. This is Kartunista Naytrik. Peace out.